you ever want to get close up and personal with your photography? Well, in the literal sense, this episode in our photography series helps you master macro modes without the hassle and lots of expensive professional gear. For as many years that I can remember, we've always needed specialist equipment to capture the perfect close-up image. Whilst for extreme close-ups this may still be the case, nowadays you can use your smartphone to get some amazing results. Summertime presents a great opportunity to put this into practice. Each year I purposefully plant meadow flowers in my garden. As you can see, these plants are brilliant attractors to all sorts of creatures. The great thing about most modern smartphones is that you don't have to find a close-up or macro setting. Instead, the camera's artificial intelligence knows when you're close and adjusts the settings for you. I'm using a Huawei P20, but many other makes also do this. If you're too close and your camera cannot focus, then it will tell you to move further away. So where possible, I will use a tripod to help me keep the phone in one place to prevent focus issues. Sometimes you may find shadows casting over your scene, particularly when the sun is high in the sky. A quick fix for this is to turn the flash on before you take your photo. This will help illuminate your subject and alleviate the issue. If you want to maximise your opportunity to get as close as possible, then try this last tip. Here on the side of my screen I have a magnifier. I can zoom in with up to 10 times magnification, but I would always proceed with caution. Magnifying increases the risk of camera shake and also reduces a bit of the quality. Try it and see how you get on. So there you have it. We'd love to see the images you create, so why not share them with us on our social feeds using the hashtag in the description. Also be sure to check out our other videos in this series using the links at the top of this video.